So we're here at the visitor center for Haleakala. See it off in the background there. Yeah, try to pronounce that. We're going to take the Sliding Sands Trail down to a crater, walk around the crater, come back. 5-mile loop. Shouldn't take too long. It's about 10:30 right now, so we'll see when we get back what time it is. All right? All right?
All right.
All right. That road leads up to the summit where we'll be going later, but we'll drive. Down there is Keonehe'ehe'e in Wailea somewhere. So we've come down from up there, I don't know if you can see it, several switchbacks. Put on a warmer jacket. So I'm wearing a shirt with a shirt under it and pants. There's no pants under yet. I'm not even sure how to wear it. But it's just like we're walking through a cloud. She thinks it's 45 or 50. It's probably closer to 60. There. Past a lot of people who are very cold. It's like being on the beach, right? Clouds are getting a little thicker now, and almost like rain. So if you want to follow the signs, you say, where are you going? Trail. Stay on the trail too.
And this is the end of the park?
1.2 maybe?
1.17.
Oh, I was way off. But anyway, getting back into where there's plants, you know, up there, it was desolate, nothing alive, rocks. So, still heading down though. Right now, the sun just started to break through. It's still all hazy out there, but the sun, well, you can see it. It's shining through there, through the clouds. I see blue sky. Well, that's amazing, as Hugh would say. So maybe it's going to clear up for a moment, and we can see what we're crawling into. Which, as you know, isn't a blown out volcano at all. It was a volcano, and then wind and rain and erosion are what washed this giant crater in. Okay? I learned that at the visitor center. Came up to a little grove of silver swords right there. See those? Kind of cool. Don't see those everywhere. So we're like in the silver sword forest, if you can call it a forest. You probably can't see it too well. I'll be right back. Let's look at some a little closer here. That's what they look like. Those are the flowers. These are some little ones. These are ones that have lived and died. And there's a whole bunch here. It's just so misty you can't really see anything. Anyway, apparently they might be endangered. Oh yeah, little tiny ones. Stay off them, you might be stepping on them. So, they put up this sign, and so I'm staying on the trail. We've come across an area of giant lava rocks. And if you look out there, you can see the silver swords everywhere out there. Everywhere.
Different stages.
And there's a lot of these yellow flowers too. I don't know what they're called, but I'm going to find out for you. Close-up look at a silver sword. One that bloomed and one that died. I want us to walk between these rocks. Close-up look at that. Like a river ran through it, washed all the lava away down there. These plants smell a lot like cedar. Whenever you pass one, you get a whiff of cedar. Look at this little fern. So we passed through the big boulders. Now we're in an area, it's raining pretty good now, but it's like a black sand. See? And it's wet on the top, so it's really black. Very soft too. And a lot of plants around. A lot of plants. Close up of a silver sword again. That's why they call it silver sword. Now we're in an area of lots and lots of silver swords and these like red rocks and the black sand. See those? So they're right by the trail, so you don't have to leave the trail. Looks like somebody wiped their butt here and left their tissue. So, got that going for us. Here's another of those little ferns. This is pretty thick with them. I mean, I guess they're endangered. So it looks like it goes on for a little ways. See down there? An area that, well, it's sort of a moonscape. See that? With the mist. The silver swords there. Look, you can see back up the mountain part way now. It's almost clearing up. Look down there. Right? Two people coming behind us. A little further, I hope. Okay, so we've gone about a mile back up. Super tired. The first mile is really far, or really steep, in soft sand. It's like climbing a sand dune. It's starting to clear up a little. You can see down the valley there a little. Of course, remember that goes off for miles there when it's clear. Look up there. There's people up on the hill. Never did find the cinder cone trail. I don't know if they closed it or what. There was no marking though. So, I'm a little winded. Blue sky. You can see the clouds moving away. There's our trail.
We've been in those clouds all day.
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. And now here it is, it's going to clear up.
This is after walking 6 miles.
Uphill both ways, sort of. The situation has changed around here greatly in just the last minute or two. Look at that. Check this out. Look at that. Look, it's swirling up. I want you to look down here now. Here we are, almost up at the top. And now look what's happening down where we were. That's right, it's clearing up completely. Over there is where the clouds were going across the trail just a moment ago. You can see the sign on the hill and some people coming down. And of course Janet. Yay, Janet! Look down that valley. Now the trail doesn't go down there, it goes down over that way, just so you know. Anyway, we got about a half a mile left.
You can see the trail down there. Straight down.
I don't know if that's the same trail. So, I'll see you in the parking lot. Almost back. There's the road. Notice it's steaming. Around this rock is the trail. Head. The parking lot. You know what I mean. Up there is the peak of Haleakala. You can go up there. Stand under the sign that says 10,003 feet. And there you have it. Sliding Sands Trail on Haleakala in Maui.